Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Have you ever wondered what it feels like to be in a place different, in a setting more natural? Lots of times what we believe or what we think is we are detached from nature, but it's actually not the same case scenario. Have you ever read any apocalyptic case scenario? 99% of the time, nature re-flourishes. It's just us that we are persistent. I recently made a video about the French Revolution. One of the reasons for the downfall of the French people was resistance to reform and bad decision making. What is nature? Nature is the actual decision maker. But what we do is हम लोग अपने decisions करते हैं, हम लोग अपनी buildings बनाते हैं और nature की care नहीं करते. We make bad decisions, results to bad natural state, bad natural habitats, and it also makes us, हम लोग नहीं चाहते कि हम nature को allow करें in our home cities, in our home places. What this does is, ये हमें, what does this show? जो French Revolution के अंदर जो मसले हुए थे, French Revolution, for example natural, for example even the Bangladesh Revolution that recently happened, all of them were because of this nature. Think, वो टाइम कब आएगा कि जब nature will strike back? लोग बुरे decisions बना रहे हैं, nature से उसकी resources ले रहे हैं, meaning bad natural state, and also last but not least, resistance to reform. We are stealing from the nature but don't want to give back to the nature, and that's why it's worse, and it's getting worse day by day. और वो दिन आन करीब होगा that nature will take over again, और हर केस सिनेरियो के अंदर नेचर ही जीतेगी. हम हारेंगे, नेचर जीतेगी. क्यों जीतेगी? Well, in any apocalyptic movie you've seen, buildings होती है, ruins होती हैं, किस चीज़ से covered होती है? Moss, plants, trees. These are the unforgiving inevitability that always stays a reality in our perspectives and is always a reality in everybody's realities. It is what the reality or what the fact is. And the matter of the fact is that we do not conceive it, we do not confront the issue, but rather than that we actually try to ignore it, which makes it worsen, which makes it worse. And that's one of the reasons why this is all happening. We're slowly cutting down the nature supply, we're cutting down mountains, we're cutting down trees, we're cutting down stuff, and it's getting worse. Cities like Islamabad is really natural and good now, but soon it won't be the same.